You kept bringing man after man into the house, teaching me early my safety came second to whoever was laying next to you. I learned to sleep light, listen for footsteps, learn love men. Don't get too comfortable, you called it survival, you called it needing help, but nobody ever asked how it felt to be me. You say you didn't know what was happening, but once you knew, you still did it again. Yeah. It's crazy how you hesitated when it came to keeping me, like my life was a decision you needed time to see. But when my child hesitation don't exist, I move with instinct, I move with protection, 'cause I know how that shit feels. You say you were a child, raising a child, and I believe you, I really do. I see the fear you carry, the wounds you never healed, the way love and danger got tangled up for you. I can hold that truth without losing mine. I can feel for you and still draw a line.